Today, I will show you how you can have these aesthetic and colorful folders on your Discord. But before starting, let me tell you that it may not work properly as it is a bug in Discord. For example, if you open this folder, then it will be just like the normal folder and you will need to do the process again to make these icons. And also if you reload your Discord, then the folders will again the same as normal. Alright, let's start the video. So the first thing you will need to do is to create folders, and you can do it simply by dragging and dropping the servers on each other. Okay, now, to create the folders icon, you will need to double click on the folder, but make sure you do it with a timing. And you can see you're created the folder icon. Now just like this you can do the same for the other folders also, but make sure to do it with timing. You may have to struggle at first, but once you learnt you will able to do it easily. To change the color of your folder, you can right click and then go to folder settings, and from here you can change to any color which you want. Okay guys, so this was a short tutorial of how you can have these colorful folders icon. By the way, don't forget to watch the other videos too or you will have a bad luck for 1 year.